Trade Pro FX funds, I hope you are all fantastic today. Today we will talk about the most question I have been receiving in my DM.
Hey, so which is the best analysis tool sir to use to trade Deriv?
And here is my response. If you have a laptop, iPhone, Android, this video is for you. Go to the AI called Chatgpt. Then if you do not have it, register for you to access it and log in via your email details. The landing page will resemble like this. As it is loading, let's discuss what the aim of this video today. It is to build your own analysis tool in the easiest way possible. So where you arrive on this page and you are new to Chatgpt, you will tap on the new chat tab. But as for me, you can see I have been using the AI for some of my projects, and with that said, we have to include another software to help us in the success of building the analysis tool, and that is CodePen. So I will shift to another window, tap and on the search bar search for CodePen software. With that, let's discuss a bit of what is CodePen. CodePen is an online code editor and community platform that allows programmers to write, test, and share code snippets. It's a great tool for beginners because it provides a simplified environment to experiment with different programming languages and frameworks. Here are some of the key benefits of using CodePen for beginners. Easy-to-use interface. CodePen has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to start writing code. Instant feedback. You can see the results of your code changes immediately, making it easier to learn and experiment. Collaboration. CodePen allows you to share your code with others and collaborate on projects. Built-in support for popular languages and frameworks. CodePen supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, making it a versatile tool for beginners. So back to the AI tool Chatgpt. How do we use it? So I will direct the AI to give me the necessary codes as I wish my analysis tool to look like, as you can see me typing it. So as I proceed typing all the necessary things I want to be part in my analysis tool, let's discuss a bit about Chatgpt AI tool uses. Chatgpt can be a valuable tool for beginners learning programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It can provide code snippets, explain concepts, and offer guidance on specific projects. Here's how it can assist beginners. Code generation. Prompting. You can ask Chatgpt to generate specific code snippets based on your requirements. For example, you could ask, can you give me an HTML code snippet for a basic form with input fields for name, email, and message? Customization. Chatgpt can tailor the code to your specific needs. For instance, you could request a CSS code snippet to style the form with a particular color scheme or font. Explanation. Chatgpt can explain the code it generates, helping you understand how it works and why certain elements are used. Concept explanation. Questions. You can ask Chatgpt about programming concepts that you're unsure about. For example, you could ask, what is the difference between an ID and a class in CSS? Examples. Chatgpt can provide examples to illustrate concepts. For instance, it could explain the use of JavaScript functions with a simple example of a function that calculates the area of a circle. Project guidance. Problem solving. If you're stuck on a particular part of your project, you can describe the problem to Chatgpt and it can offer suggestions or solutions. Code review. You can share your code with Chatgpt and ask for feedback. It can help you identify errors, improve efficiency, or suggest alternative approaches. Anyways, with all that, you can see me search the Deriv API. This will be so helpful in creating our analysis tool. So after you are here, you will come to the API Explorer section and search for these two necessary snippets. For number one is called the tick stream, and go input it to the Chatgpt and give it the necessary conditions. Otherwise, Chatgpt has some limitations. 1. Human oversight. While Chatgpt can be helpful, it's important to remember that it's an AI and may not always provide the most accurate or efficient solutions. It's always a good idea to double-check the generated code and consult other resources. Contextual understanding. Chatgpt may struggle to understand complex or ambiguous prompts. It's important to be as specific as possible when asking for assistance. Example. If you're working on an analysis tool and need to create a table to display data, you could ask Chatgpt, can you give me an HTML code snippet for a table with 5 rows and 3 columns? I want to add a header row with column headings. Chatgpt would then generate a code snippet that you can use as a starting point for your table. You can customize the code further by adding CSS styles to format the table or JavaScript to add interactive elements. Anyways, as you can see what I'm doing, I am making sure to put all the necessary conditions to ChatGPT in order for it to interpret everything correctly. Next is the tick history that should be extracted from the Deriv API Explorer, and we tell Chat some rules before we can command it to give us the codes. So if you are confused what's the use of all this is the Understanding Deriv Tick Stream and Tick History for Analysis tool development. Deriv Tick Stream and Tick History are essential data sources for building analysis tools that can provide insights into the underlying market dynamics of various financial instruments. These datasets offer real-time and historical information about price changes, allowing developers to create tools for technical analysis, algorithmic trading, and market research. Tick Stream. Real-time data. The tick stream provides a continuous stream of price updates for a specific financial instrument. Granularity offers the most granular level of price data, capturing every price change that occurs. Data points. Each data point typically includes the timestamp, price, and volume. Use cases, ideal for high-frequency trading strategies, real-time market monitoring, and creating custom indicators. Tick history. Historical data contains a record of price changes for a specific instrument over a defined period. Granularity can be adjusted to suit the analysis needs, from individual ticks to aggregated data, e.g., hourly, daily. Data points, similar to the tick stream, each data point typically includes the timestamp, price, and volume. Use cases, suitable for backtesting trading strategies, studying historical market trends, and building predictive models. Key considerations for developers. When working with Deriv tick data, consider the following. Data format, understand the format in which the data is delivered, e.g., JSON, CSV. Data frequency, determine the appropriate frequency of data updates based on your analysis requirements. Data storage, choose a suitable storage solution, e.g., database, file system, to handle the large volumes of data. Data processing, implement efficient data processing techniques to extract meaningful insights. API usage, if using the Deriv API, ensure proper authentication and authorization. Data quality, verify the accuracy and reliability of the data. Example use case, technical analysis tool. A developer can use tick stream and tick history data to build a technical analysis tool that calculates indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and relative strength index, RSI. These indicators can provide valuable insights into market trends, volatility, and overbought/oversold conditions. By effectively utilizing Deriv tick stream and tick history data, developers can create powerful analysis tools that help traders and investors make informed decisions in the financial markets. And with that said, now I want you to observe all that I will be doing until I instruct the AI to start building and giving me the codes. In the meantime, let's listen to some music as we wait to see the magic. Now I am done with writing all that I need for us to build the analysis tool. As I said, you don't have to be a programmer to do this, it's very simple as I am doing. Let's now see the AI give us the codes and then we will proceed to the CodePen. Here the AI and it has completed, and I will now copy all the codes, the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and place them appropriately into CodePen. Just keep in touch with me. For the HTML code, you can see it is there. Then I copy the CSS. The CSS is usually used for styling, then I proceed to copy the JavaScript. Let me scroll down and copy the JavaScript and proceed again to CodePen. With it you can see the structure of our analysis tool, which is an analysis tool that gives the probability of even and odd percentages. So when I tap the Start Analysis tab, let's see whether there is any progress or errors. Seems there are errors, that why the code is not running as expected, so just check how to look for the errors and correct them. So what I will do, I will go back to my Chatgpt and report the progress and the issue arising, plus I will also check on the console area and provide the AI to see whether it can resolve the issue. Now let me go to the console area and check what's the issue and give the problem to the AI. And there the ChatGPT writes me another JavaScript code for me, though as it was writing I have noticed I provide a wrong information, so I will rectify it manually by myself. Before I proceed, let me just first test it as it is, but when it does not resolve I will change it by myself. Since it has not resolved, let me change the error manually, just observe. Let's now copy the code with the rectifications in C. There is one more issue, that's why I am checking where is the issue and I will make the corrections. Wow, and now our analysis tool finally is working. With it you can now edit all according to your wish, and for me I need the analysis tool to look awesome, so I will return to the Chatgpt and command it and make all changes since I can confirm it's working. Let's now start putting all the new codes in place and see how it looks. Let's click here in Stat Analysis and see how it will function. As easy as it is, you can now see we are done with the part 1 making of the even and odd analysis tool. Very simple. As we proceed, we will add all the necessary features to it. You can suggest them to me, as we will also use it first as it is to see whether you can use it to execute trades using its probability. However, you can definitely see it's also showing the last digit of the market, in which next we'll see whether it's moving same as the Deriv view or Deriv trader in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, share if you learned something new.